Good day everyone, I'm Miss Hani Andres and I will be discussing about Google Meet and its extensions. Google Meet is another platform that we could use for online classes. It has 5 extensions that we could add it to Google Chrome. To go to Google Meet, you need to type meet.google.com in the URL. The 5 Google Meet extensions that we could add are Duallist, Push to Talk, Node, Meet Attendance, and Grid View. To add the Duallist extension, you need to type in the search bar Duallist Chrome extension. Among the results, you need to pick the first one. Okay, this is the Duallist extension that you need to add for your Google Meet. Kindly click Add to Chrome. Add extension. It will automatically be added to your Google Chrome extensions. This is now the Duallist Google Meet extension. To try if it is working, we need to go to Google Meet. Again, the URL is meet.google.com. Click Join or Start a Meeting. You could type a nickname or leave blank to start a meeting. I will just try to type trial and then click Continue. Join now. Okay. To see if Duallist is working, you need to click the Google Chrome extension, which is the Duallist, and you can choose whether you want a setting of 3070, 4060, 5050, 6040, 7030, or one full page of the Chrome browser. I'll try to choose the 5050. Okay. On the right side is the site or the screen that your students can be seen. And this on the left side is your screen. So let's say I would try to present. I will present a window. Okay, the window that the students can see is this one. So whatever you do on the on the left side of the window cannot be seen by the students on the right side. The other Google Meet extensions are Push to Talk, Node, Meet Attendance, and Grid View. We'll try to search the 4 extensions in the Google Chrome, and the adding is the same with the Duallist that I showed you a while ago. Since it is already added to my Chrome, I'll just show you that you need to type the following. If you wanted to add the attendance, just type on the search bar Meet Attendance. Okay, this first result is the one that you should add to your Chrome extension. It's the same with the Duallist, you just need to add it to Chrome. But I already have this Meet Attendance kasi, so I'll proceed with the other one, and that is Node. Okay, again, the first result is the one that you should click, and Node Reactions for Google Meet is already installed in my Chrome extensions. The other one is Grid View. Okay, Google Meet Grid View is already added to my Chrome. If in your case it's not yet added, just click Add to Chrome or Add from Chrome. And the last one is, I think that is Push to Talk. Okay, Push to Talk extension. Okay, first result is the one that you should click. Okay, and it is already added to my Chrome extension. So what are the icons for the following extensions? We have, okay, first the Duallist that I showed you a while ago. Then we have Google Meet Grid View. Then we have this one, Google Meet Push to Talk. And the Meet Attendance, as well as the Node Reactions for Google Meet. Since I added all in my Google Chrome extensions, I'll just check it, what it looks like in my Google Meet account. You can type again in the search bar meet.google.com, and you can join or start again a meeting. You can put a nickname or just leave it blank. Continue. If you will notice that the microphone icon and the video or camera icon are both failed because I'm using it on the other platform. Click Join Now. If you wanted to share this Google Meet to others, you can click this copy joining info and send it to Messenger or whenever or whatever you are using application that others are using too. Then this is the Node Reactions extension. You can have this kind of emojis, but this is only applicable to be clicked when your students also have this kind of extension. So if your students are using cell phones, this emoji cannot be seen on their cell phones, as well as this image or icon. This is raise hand. Okay. And then for, that's the other extension. For Google Meet Push to Talk, it is about what key in the keyboard you could use to mute and unmute. In this case, spacebar is being used if I want to mute and unmute my microphone. I can click spacebar when I like to mute or unmute. You can also change this. If you don't want spacebar, you can edit this one and you can type, let's say you want letter A to click so you could mute and unmute, because sometimes you're experiencing that you just wanted to unmute the microphone but you wrongfully click the leave button. So this is the safest way, the push to talk, to use if you want to mute or unmute your microphone. So I'll just still use the space bar. Just click the space bar and it will automatically put their space and then save. Okay, so if I will use it, I'll just click space bar and my microphone here will be unmute, and then I will click again the space bar to mute my microphone. Then we have meet attendance. Okay, meet attendance is this one. Let's say if these are the other tools for meet attendance. Let's see. Okay, the people or the number of the people attending your Meet or Google Meet meeting. Open the attendance icon, the chat box, new sheet, new spreadsheet, on and off, new auto scroll on and off. Okay, going back to Google Meet, let's say one of, or let's say only me is the participant for this Google Meet. I will click the turn on button. This is off, this is on, for me to check how many participants are there. If I turn it off, you'll see that this is 0. It's not working. But the moment you turn it on, okay, the number of participants will reflect here. Then if you want to have a record of participants, you just need to click this icon and this will go to a Google Drive, which is the Google Docs, and you will have a record of attendees for that specific time that you click the icon. Like for this column, okay, 8/17/2020, 22:09, that is 10:09. I click the icon for attendance and it states there that I am only the participant. Well, the last time I do this, okay, 8/17/2020, which but this time 14:41, this is around 2 p.m. Okay, I check the attendance and I have the following participants. Okay, so always turn off and turn on whenever there are new participants, so they are recorded here in the attendance check. This is automatic. Then we have, I think this is the last one, grid view. This grid view extension have the following features. You can check this one, only show participants with video. You can also check this one. You could highlight the speakers if you want the speakers. The speaker is the only one that you can see from the Google Meet. And then you can include yourself in the grid, enable grid view by default, enable screen capture mode. I haven't tried the last one, but for the grid view, as a teacher, you might want to install it because you have several students that will attend on your Google Meet. So for this grid view, in the change layout, we only have 4, 8, 12 maximum participants to be seen. But if we have 40 students that we wanted to see, we must install grid view so we could see all the participants in this manner. Okay, like that. So those are the 5 Google Meet extensions. Now I will share to you how to stream Google Meet in Facebook. First, you need to go to Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. For me, I'm using my Microsoft Edge to open my Facebook. Make sure that you are logged in on your Facebook to make an FB Live. In this section, just choose Live Video, then click. The website will now proceed to Live Producer. The first thing you need to do is to click Use Camera. In this case, the camera of my laptop is being used. And then choose a microphone. Then you can minimize this one. Click Start Screen Share and click your entire screen. Then click Share. You can also choose whether you like to share it on your timeline, on the page you manage, or in a group. Then you can write the title, KHS Demo. And you can choose who can see the FB Live that you are doing. Click the Go Live, and you can also click the Hide button on this mini bar. Then wait for the Facebook Live Producer to continue on the live streaming. When the red bar here on the side will show, that is the sign that your Facebook is now on live. And this is the red bar which states End Live Video.